opposition parties have been criticizing us a lot since yesterday. In fact, they should be appreciating us. These people who are operating, due to our measures that we took in the month of August and then November 2024, we were able to reduce the billing that was taking place in both CT and MRI by nearly 70%. So every month, we've ended up saving almost 18 crore rupees. Earlier, the payments that were going, because number of scans were being done with not following proper procedure, and high number of scans were being done per day. So both CT and MRI per day put together, they were doing almost more than 100 scans every day. 110, 120 scans every day, CT and MRI put together. After we brought in our measures to correct this, it reduced to 35, from almost 70%, more than 70% reduction in the number of scans, and huge savings for government. So we have told them that whatever is justifiable, we will pay you. We have no problem. But whatever is unjustifiable, we cannot pay. And that is the issue. So they have now stopped services. Let's see what they will do. But we are making alternate arrangements. We have already made. And most of the 13 hospitals, this has been affected. Now all these 13 hospitals already, I think more or less everywhere alternate arrangements have already been made. Maybe one or two are remaining. That will be done by tomorrow, maximum day after. So people will ensure that people will be able to get free CT and MRI. But we cannot be held accountable. Opposition party is saying, give all the money to them. But this money is public money. And we have actually been able to save huge monies for the government. So they should appreciate us. I will give you all the data. I'll be putting it on our WhatsApp group. You can access it. And you see for yourself, by such a simple measure, we have saved government money. And we are telling them, the previous dues that you are claiming, this has to be justified by you. How did you do so many scans? And who are the people who took these scans for? We need a proper proof. If you provide the exact proof, then we will pay you the money. If you're saying, okay, this person came for this reason on this day, took this scan, we will pay you. But we need proper verification of that. So, till they provide that, we cannot pay them.
LOP Arashok saying that the department is collapsed, don't have any money.
See, for him, because in their government, they didn't do any such thing to look at how money was being spent, and they never took any action on any such, excess expenditure happening. We are doing the right things. So, in fact, I think once Mr. Ashok sees this, he will understand and commend what we have done. And